In light of COVID-19, charities have had to innovate and change the way they raise funds during this pandemic, especially at St. Joe's, given the cancellation of many fundraising events. This holiday season, the foundation is offering the community the chance to win big and do good with the Hope, Health, and Holiday Wishes 50-50 lottery. To tell us more is the Director of Communications and Marketing at St. Joseph's Healthcare Foundation, Carrie Trembinski. Thanks for joining us this morning via Skype.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
So we saw some video there, of course, as the Around the Bay race and the Paris to Ancaster Road race. These are major events that went away. That represents, that certainly put a dent in your fundraising efforts. So this is a great way of pivoting. This is something new.
It is. It's really exciting, and we're really fortunate to live in a very generous community of Hamilton, and people have been so supportive of the hospital. But yeah, this is a fun way we thought we'd engage the Hamilton community in supporting St. Joe's while also giving them a chance to win a great prize.
Yes. So, and we'll get into the nuts and bolts in this and how we can help out and get tickets. But
Sure.
what kind of money, what's the goal for this?
Oh, that's a great question. The great thing about a 50-50 is actually it can raise as much as many tickets we sell. So right now, the prize pot is about $20,000. So of course, over $10,000 would be the jackpot right now, and then the other half goes back to the hospital. But that's climbing every single day, and there's a great ticker on the website on stjoeslottery.ca where you can watch it grow every single day.
Yes, I see it's at 10,320 now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's fantastic. This money is much needed too. What kind of areas is it going towards?
Yeah, well, as you can imagine right now, there's a lot of pressures on the healthcare system. And so we're really fortunate to have a close relationship with the hospital leadership team, and they let us know where it's needed the most. So right now that's, equipment, it is supplies like PPE and research so we can build a healthier future for everybody. So those are our priorities right now. And of course, we're also renewing our emergency mental health service at the Charlton campus too. And in this pandemic where all of our mental health has been impacted, that's vitally important too.
Mm-hmm. Yes, you mentioned research, and St. Joe's is certainly a leader in many areas, robotic surgery for one. I have heard during this pandemic that many voices in the research community, of course it's much needed, all these dollars going towards COVID, but there is money being diverted. So this is quite crucial, money from the community to fund these research projects, isn't it?
It absolutely is. It's how we're able to kind of break new ground and find new things. And, there's a lot of great COVID-19 related research going on at St. Joe's right now, too. There's a study on the efficacy of different types of masks. There's studies to speed up the testing for COVID-19. So really great projects that could use our community's support.
And you mentioned PPE. I mean, that's an immediate need.
And an ongoing one, obviously there's been great hopeful news about the vaccine, but, for months to come, both our patients and our staff are going to be wearing masks, gloves, gowns, face shields, for months more to come. And it's an expense that pre-pandemic we hadn't really planned for. So that's how these donations will really help our hospital too.
Right. Well, as I mentioned, checking the ticker, there's a guaranteed take-home prize of $10,320. So how do we get tickets and what kind of deals do we have? You can buy them in blocks?
You can. So you can get 10 tickets for $10, 40 tickets for $20, or the very best deal and the most chances to win is 160 tickets for $40. They're on sale right now, and they are on sale through December 29th at 12 noon. And then our draw will take place the next day, December 30th, which is just in time to cover your holiday bills.
Fantastic. Okay, well, we'll get the link up at chch.com and get Morning Live viewers to scoop up tickets. Thanks so much, Carrie.
Thanks so much, Bob.